Recite the national anthem.
Oh my God.
The national anthem, sir.
Is it funny? No, it's not funny.
Hi. So pick a number from 1 to 14. Down to 14. Number 11. On the 11, who named Nigeria? Where from look at, wait. I'm waiting. So sure. Correct. Not independence in Nigeria.
Alright, let's go 12.
Number 12. Who is on the 50 naira note?
Wazubia.
That's correct, Albert.
Happy Independence.
So pick a number from 1 to 14. 7. Number 7. How many geopolitical zones do we have in Nigeria?
6.
Correct.
Happy Independence Day.
So pick a number from 1 to 14. I'm saying. Pick a number. Okay, 2. Number 2. I know they can that it's entirely simple. How is Nigeria turning this way?
64.
Correct.
Look at that. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
Right? So pick a number from 9 to 14.
Okay, number 3.
Okay. To you, what is the best Nigerian delicacy?
Okay, I think that would be Nigerian jollof.
Piping hot.
Nigerian jollof.
That's correct.
Number 2.
Number 2. Who is the first lady of Nigeria?
Distinguished Senator Oloremi Tinubu.
Correct.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
Okay, so pick a number from 1 to 14. Number 4. Number 4. Who's on the 700 naira note?
Dr. Nanda Azikiwe.
Correct.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
So pick your second number out.
Okay, number 44.
Okay, sir, but I'll ask you a question regardless. If you can change one thing in Nigeria right now, what will you change?
What would that be? I think that would be what I'm very passionate about, to foster access to education for Nigerians and further democratize, that space so that people have the opportunity to get educated, and that would help us to advance human capital development across the country.
Brilliant answer.
Nigeria, we are their native land. The tribes and tongues no differ, in your would we stand.
Sit first, sir.
Be blessed.
Correct.
Saying very good, sir. We're in Nigeria.
Yeah. After independence, you are not recording.
I don't know.